Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to edit an existing report. Xima CCaaS comes with a lot of great standard reports. However, you may find the need to edit one of those reports to remove or add columns to fit your needs. To edit a report, find that report in the report's home screen under My Reports. In this case, I'm going to edit the agent call summary. I can do so by simply clicking on the three dots at the far right of the screen and go to Edit. Another option is to edit the report that's already open. The Edit button will be in the top right-hand corner. While in the Edit screen, if you want to modify an existing column, simply hover over that column and click the menu button to the right. This will allow you to edit it or delete it. If you edit it, it'll open up the values as you defined them previously. Also, you may choose to delete any columns you do not want in your report moving forward. In this case, I don't need the total call duration. If you would like to add a new column, simply select it from the drop-down menu on the left-hand side and Add. You may choose to reorder the columns, and you can do so by clicking on the column header and simply drag it to the location you want it. Click the Next button when done. Here you may redefine your summary boxes at the top. Click Next when done. On the final screen, you may choose to save this updated report as a copy or overwrite the original. If you do save it as a copy, make sure that you adjust the report title to something new. Click Save Report when done. After saving your changes, your report will be added to the list of available reports.